green color. Wow, baby guinea-pig. Hello, we got a baby guinea-pig from a spin. Come on, let's play with the baby in a grass. Baby guinea-pig is fast learner. Even at a small size, they have a head and are able to see and run. Believe or not, they start to nibble on solid food from as early as 2 days old and will usually be fully weaned at 3 weeks. Blue color. Rabbit. Hello, we got a rabbit from a spin. Come on, let's play with the rabbit in a grass. Rabbits have 2 long front teeth. Their legs are very strong, and rabbits can jump 9 feet. Rabbits are social creatures and are happiest in the company of their own species. Pet rabbits can live between 8 to 12 years. Yellow color. Wow, chick. Hello, I got a chicken from a spin. Look, there are so many of them. Come on, let's play with the chicken in the grass. Did you know that baby chicks can sleep and dream just like human beings? This is possible due to their rapid eye movement sleep, which enable them to dream like humans. Additionally, baby chicks can sleep with one side of the brain asleep, and the other side of their brain is alert. Wow, baby chicks is truly amazing! Purple color. Baby turtle. Hello, we got a baby turtle from a spin. Come on, let's put the turtle in a river. The species of this turtle is red-eared slider. They is a semi-aquatic turtle. It is the most popular pet turtle across the world. Red-eared sliders are omnivores. They eat vegetables and small fish. Orange color. Wow, parkit. Hello, we got a parkit from a spin. Look, there is a parkit in a cake. Come on, let's put the parkit in a cake. Red color. Manfish. Hello, we got two manfish from a spin. Look, a manfish color is black and white. Let's open the manfish and put the manfish in a fish tank.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Oops, the manfish
This old
is stuck
man, he
in a
played
plastic.
too. He played knick-knack
Hey.
on my shoe. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old